Kailangan. Let's go. Let's go. May mga... Ha? May pakumot. Ayan ang gusto ko. At may paunan din. Tadaan! What's the movie? Oh, my ceiling yarn. Wheel. Icelander. Iceland yarn. Ano yung 495? Let's go. Here na sa zoo. Ito tayo. Let's go Switzerland. Let's go. Yay. Wala tayong katabi. Bayo. Ito na ba Itech? Welcome aboard. Aboard. Oh, may work tayo. Over chips at choco rooms. Switzerland. Hi. Luggage claim na. Of course. Tapos para makakuha ka ng wifi maka-Google. Tapos i-scan nyo dito or ID passport. Tapos may mag-appear na voucher. Yung ganyan. May code. 4 hours. Nasaan na yun? Ay, Lind. Tama naman yung gamit natin. Charots. Tapos sabi, oh no! Kanino to? May Bitcoin. Sino?
Around with those tram.
The what?
In the city with the tram. Yeah.
Oh, the tram. Oh, the cable car. And what's the museums also?
Also reduction, and the small boat tour is also included. Yeah.
What? Amazing naman yun. So, bibili tayo here ng SIM card. Makita nyo ang Swisscom. Yan ang SIM card. Mahirap naman nalilisin yan. Para naman tong asin. Para naman siyang asin. Pakatagal. Pakatagal. Ang OA.
Hindi ko kasi sarado kasi yun.
Yan na sa Qatar. Yabu. Qatar. Ay, Dabs! Ito si check-in 2. Check-in 1. Saka